Hi everyone, welcome back to our video classroom, and we have learned, lesson 21, and now we're going to learn 22. So adaştan sonra jigimishkin dersimizni davomli o'rganishga boshlasak, hamda avvalgi darsimizda 21 dars. Intan o'yinlarni o'rganib o'tdik, hamda bugungi darsimiz a glass envelope. Okay, a glass envelope. Undaqda biz abay o'rgangan mazmunlarni bir qisqagina muhimliklarni takrorlab o'tgandan keyin endi bu darsga kelsak, xo'sh hamsa shu English definition asosan sizlar shu so'zni spell qilib beringlar. Masalan, mentally ill, stupid, crazy person, we can say M-A-D, mad. Okay, we can call it mad. Sarang, shunami? Sarang. Okay. A cause or an explanation for something. Shu yuz berishninki sababi nima deymiz? Reason. Okay, we can call it reason. Okay, we can call it reason. Sabab degan gap bo'ldi. Shunami? Okay, hamda keyingisi an amount of money. Okay, hamda bir miqdordagi pulni nima deymiz? Sum. Miqdordagi pulni nima? Sum. And also, wanting to do something very much. If you want to do something very much, you can say determined. Okay, ma'lum bir ishni qilishni xohlash yoki shuni qaror qilish, bir qaror qilish bo'lsa, determined. Demak, some determined. Okay, undaqda qaranglar. I asked the watchmaker if he could repair my watch, but he told me that it couldn't be repaired. Demakchi hamda nima dersanglar, remote bo'lmaydiganligini oldingi soatimizda bular umuman shu binoviy texnika intan buyum shakllarini o'rgangan. Hamsa birinchi jumla qaranglar, o'sha ulgu misolga asosan o'shani ishlasanglar. Masalan, you must write the report at once. Siz cho'qim qanday qilishingiz kerak? Darhol bu axborotni yozishingiz kerak. It be written must without delay. And the ma'na edilsa it must be written without delay. Yaxshi, it must be written without delay. Ma delay deganimiz kechikish, cho'qim kechikmay qanday qilinishi kerak? Yozilib bo'lishi kerak. It must be written without delay. Have they opened a new airport yet? Ular yangi aerodromni ochdimi? They said, no. And the ma'nima, it hasn't been opened yet. It hasn't been opened yet. And the aeroport o'zini ochmaydi, boshqalar kelib ochadi o'shanga. Ochilmadi. It hasn't been opened yet. You must not use the lift. It's out of order. Okay. You must not use lift. Siz bu liftni ishlatmasligingiz kerak. It's out of order. Out of order. Qalayni qolib ketdi deydi. And okay, it can be used. Hamda ma'nosi you cannot use it emasmi? Ammo bedoniy shaklning bo'ladi. It can't be used until it has been repaired. U texi remote qilinmaguncha siz uni ishlatsangiz qanday bo'lmaydi. Okay, I'm not qaranglar. My king said, I must have done the job last week because I crossed it off my list. That's how I know the job must have been done. Nima desanglar? Wow, nima desanglar? Men jo'qim bu o'tgan hafta buni ishlab bo'lgan, chunki men uni menda xato belgisi. Ba'zi bel qo'yapti ekan. So that's how I know the job must have been done. Shunga men onanki cho'qim tamomlab bo'lganligini bilma dedi. Shunami? Okay. Must have been done. Demakchi senda aytganda bayron etasa shu benni qatib qo'ysak ham bo'ldi. Masalan, Mr. Smith is an expert. So if he cannot do the job, then it by anybody. Okay, Mr. Smith bo'lsa bir mutaxassis. Shunlashqa agar u xizmatni qila olmasa nima? That can be done by anybody. Agar hamda u shu ishni qilolmasa hamda u ish hech qanday odam tarafidan qilinmaydigan ish. Demak, hech qanday odam uni qilolmaydi. Jumla bir expert, bir mutaxassis shu ishni qilolmasa, shu ishning peshvosi shu ishni qilolmasa, unda oldi hech kim qilolmaydi degan. It can't be done anybody. Can't be done by anybody. Xo'sh, hamsa bizniki takrorimiz mushagichi bo'lsin. Hamda mana bugungi darsimizdagi bir necha some pictures, well, let's enjoy it. Birinchisi, nima ekan savolashlamadi? Okay, what is this? What is this? It's a beacon tower, okay? It's a beacon tower. Hamda bu beacon tower qanday tower desanglar, ayni vaqtlarda hamda ayni zamonlardagi, 1000 yil, 2000 yil burungi zamonlardagi, masalan, kishilar urush qilmoqchi bo'lsa, shu munaning ustiga chiqib, o'tni ko'ydiribchi, o't ko'ydirib, is chiqirib, birisi-birisiga belgi berar ekan. Shu belgi berishga ishiltirgancha hamda o't echinglar yoki urush qilayli degandekchi, hamsa hujumni boshlanglar deganda, o'shada har xil is chiqarish, o't chiqarish, har xil usullar orqali qanday desanglar, belgi beradigan gap. Hozirgidek unda taraqqiyot nada? Hozirgi bo'lsa deganda telefonda yoki quloqqa nima tanışığı için takip edip mikrofonu qanday qilamiz? Buyruq berdi o urushlarda. Lekin ilgari nima desanglar, shu beacon tower degan ishlatgan. Beacon tower demakchi urushda alaqa gulxon yiqib belgi beradigan munar degani beacon tower deymiz. Tower degani nima edi? Munar. Okay. Aniqda macho savolashdan. Bu nima ish ekan? Bu nima ekan desanglar? Urushlarda har xil telegramma yo'llaydigan shunami? Buni telegram, okay, telegram machine, telegram. Okay, ma telefon, teleskop emas kelamizmi? Tele degan jiroq. Demak, jiroq oraliqqa bunda bir narsa signal yo'llaydiganda telegram deymiz. And telegraph, okay. And a telegraph bo'lsa, ma graph deganimiz hamda rasm bilan munosabat ishtami? Demak, jiroq oraliqqa har bir narsani telegraph deymiz-ku. Shuni telegraph qilishilgan mashla. Okay, macho. Undan keyin Telegramdan taraqqiy qilib nima? Telefon. Okay. Telefon zaman taraqqiy qilib telefonga ulashdi. Shunami? Undan keyin endi nima? Cell phone. Cell phone degan yonfon, shunami? Undan keyinchi mobile phone. Okay, endi mana cell phone, mobile phone asosan o'xshash. Amerikaliklar cell phone deydi, Angliyaliklar mobile phone deydi. Endi men iPhone'ni nima deymiz ayrim desanglar, smartphone. Smart, aqlli degan gap. Aqli phone, shunami? Smartphone. Smartphone. Endi macha ma'li balkim kichik bolalar bilmaydi, ama 90-yillarning keyingi bolalar bilmasligi mumkin. Bu nima? Okay. Beeper. BBG, shunami? Beeper. Beeper. Alaqa. Chaqirg'i deb qo'yamiz-ku. Shuni beeper. Hozir hammasi smartphone asosli. Shunami? Okay, macha letter. Okay. Okay, maybe you can mail or something. What about this? Email. Email. It's electronic mail. Demak, elektronlik yo'llanma. Birisi letter deganimiz shu pochta yo'llanmasi. Shunami? Masalan, pochtaxonalarga yo'llanadi. Endi macha EMS. EMS ni ko'rgan bo'lsangiz, EMS nima? Express Mail Service. Express. Shu yo'llanma, mail, Express Mail Service. Demak, pochta yo'llanma lozim edi. Express ma alayda tiz yo'llanma degan gap, Express emas. Tiz yo'llanma lozim edi. Express, EMS. So what else do you know? Undan boshqa masalan birisi xat yo'llaganda, uchur yo'llaganda masalan abayqidek urushlarda degan masalan o't ko'ydirib boshqalarga signal beradi. Shunami? Undan keyin telegramma chiqdi, undan keyin telefon chiqdi, undan keyin endi yanacha har xil aqli phone chiqdi, activation chiqdi, shunami? Unda darlar. Hamda hozir what else do you know? Undan boshqa nima ishlarni bilasizlar savolashlar. You know, they are the way and tools of the people sending and receiving message with each other. So do you know about it? So which one do you think travel faster? Which one do you think faster? Email? Okay. Or letters? Okay. Which one? Of course, email, travel faster, right? Okay. Maybe just you click the mouse and another person will receive in a minute or even in a second. Tushunami? Hatto bir minut, bir sekundim qana desanglar qarashtirib, ilg'itangni qana qilib topshirib oldi. Okay. So which one do you think costs a little more? And the qaysi hamda bekrak azan to'xtaysizlar. Of course, email, right? So let's guess. So a way that nearly costs nothing but travel most slowly. Can you guess what it is? Agar savodashlar bir xil usul bor. Bu asosan hech qanday narsa sarf qilmaydi. Pul ketmaydi. But travel most slowly. Eng asta. Nima qildi? Sizlarning javob nimada? Qaysi xil usulda? Can you guess? So can you guess? Okay. Of course, it's a drift bottle. A drift bottle. It's called a glass envelope. And the drift deganimiz laylab yurmak. Ama drift bottle deganimiz laylama botilka. Masalan, dengiz bo'ylarga yuzanglarninki xitini, adresini, har xil narsalarni yozib, shu nimaga tashlaysan, nima? Drift bottle. So, do you know how to make the drift bottle? Endi o'sha laylam botilkani yasashni bilamsizlar? Qanday yasaydi? How to make it? Do you have any idea? Okay. The first of all, put a piece of paper with your name and address on it and into a bottle. And the ichiga bir parcha qog'ozni, uningda isminglar, adresinglar va qog'ozni ichiga solasizlar. Okay. And do you expect something to write back? And then shuni expect qilamizlar. O'sha tashlab qo'ygan ekan, albatta tashlagan ekan, bichimdan xat gap qiladi. Qancha meni bedostim bo'lib qiladi deb o'ylaymiz shunami? So maybe I don't, it's a daydream for me, but I know a girl called Jane received a letter in this way. Welcome, and I'm not going because I'm very busy, right? Okay, I'm not a daydream for me. It's a daydream. And daydream deganimiz ham xiyol degan gap. Lekin hamda o'sha bir Jane ismli bir qizcha qanday desam, o'shunda haqiqatan birini topshirib olibdi. Okay. Drift bottle'dan-chi. Drift bottle'dan. Bu qizning hikoyasi qiziqsanlar, hamda shuni anglab olaman. So, do you want to listen to the story? Okay, if you want, okay, welcome. Xo'sh, savolashlar, hamsa o'sha bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zliklarga kelaylik. New words. Endi mana new words nega deganda, kitoblarga narsani bir qadam ko'rayotgandan sib, bo'lsam o'sha kengaytirilgan jumlalarni hammani bo'lsa daftaringizga yozib manglar. Okay. Savolashlar, yangi so'zlarni o'rganib o'taylik. Hamsa bugungi darsimizga yangi so'zlarga qarab yanglar. Birinchi jumla nima debdi? I dreamt a nice dream last night. I became a rich man in the dream. All right, endi bu yerda uchta so'z bor ekan. I dreamt a nice dream last night. I became a rich man in my dream. Okay, endi bu yerda dream. Okay, dream deganimiz orzu, g'oya degan gap. Ism bo'lganda. Endi dream pil bo'lganda ma'nosi nima desanlar? Shu orzu qilmoq, g'oya qilmoq degan gap. I dream. Yoki nima desanlar? Tush ko'rmak. Okay, I dreamed a nice dream. Men bir yaxshi tush ko'ribdiman. Yaxshi tushni tushyaptiman. Tunigan kecha. I became a rich man. Men bir boy odamga aylanibdiman in the dream. Tushimda. Demakanda tush, orzu, g'oya deb ma'nosi bor. Dream. Ondan keyin hamda bu dream ikkinchi jumla qaranglar. To think of something that would like to happen. Okay, hamda shu dream of yoki dream about degan shu orzu qilmoq degan gap. Tanliq nutqchi Martin Luther King Jr. deb shu qartilliklarning huquqiniki daisi shuniki I have a dream deb bir nima savol desanlar nutq va imtayon tanliq shunadagi dream nima orzu. And the dream of deganimiz orzu qilmoq. Masalan, I never dreamed of winning $5 million. Men azaldan 5 million pul ustuma deb xiyolimga keltirib boqmagan. O'ylabmi boqmagan. Orzu qilibmi boqmagan. Demek ki dream of something deganimiz bir narsani o'ylab beqish, orzu qilib beqish degan gap. Qaranglar, endi bu belgi nimani ifodalaydi? Bu qizilsiq, bu manda qilmang, man'iy qilindi degan gap qo'y endi bu. Demak, buning ma'nosi throwing anything out of the window is not allowed. Okay, throwing, tashlash, anything, har qanday narsa out of the window. Derazaning sirtiga is not allowed. Ruxsat qilinmaydi. Man'iy qilinadi degan gap. Demak, ham nima shariki throw deganimiz nima? Tashlamoq degan gap. Throw, okay. Throw degancha tashladi. Throw, tashlangan. Okay, tashlangan. Demak, to send something through the air with your hand, mushabaqa qo'lni tanamdan tashlayotgan bo'lsa. Throw bo'ladi, throw. Yana she threw the bottle into the sea. O dengizga botolkani tashladi. She threw the bottle into the sea. Okay, endi men throw away bo'lsa, unda qalayman tashlatish narsalarni. Masalan, throw away the rubbish. Okay, throw away something. And throw up bo'lsa, throw up, qusmoq, qusutish. Throw up. Okay, and then what is your age? And the magic sparanch what's your age? I'm 4. Okay, America 4 to age deganimiz yash. Okay, 4 years old, age yash thing. They make the age degan period of time someone has been alive. Okay, yesh nama. Mesela at the age of, at the age manchishida, mesela at the age of 18, 18 yaşında, manda balitim, da baksalık kılsın Allah. Şu at the age of, şu mançı yaşta. Mesela he ran away from home at the age of 10. 10 yaş vaxtida ran away from home, uydan kaçıp çıketken. Uydan çıketken. Okay, demek ki 10 yaş vaxtida uydan çıketken. Uydan kaçıp çıketken şu ma'ni bildirdi. At the age of. Okay, of one's own age. Okay, of one's own age degeni şunun bilan bir qurdash, tang yosh, yesh tang degan gap. Masalan, my sister received a letter from a girl of her own age in Hong Kong last year. Okay, endi mening singlim yoki akam received a letter. Bir parcha xat topshirib oldi. From a girl, bir qizchaqdan. U qanday qizchaqda? Of her own age. Naq shuning bilan qurdash, shuning bilan tangdosh, shuning bilan yeshtang degan gap. Of one's own age. Own degan o'zining, tushunami? Shu o'zining ichidagi qizchaq bilan. Shu o'zining ichidagi qizchaq degan shu qurdash bo'ldi, tushunami? In Hong Kong last month, o'tgan oy, qurdash o'zining ichi bilan tang bir qizchaqdan qanday qildi? Bir parcha xat topshirib oldi. Xo'sh, amsa bu xarita qarab qaranglar, bir tarafini aytsanglar, England, another one is France. Okay, England, France. Demak, bu ikki davlat orasida bir channel bor, kanal. Buni nima deymiz desanglar, English channel. Okay, English channel. And the English channel separates England from France. Okay, nima desanglar, shu English channel separates English from France. Demek şu Angliya bilan Fransiyani birsidan ayirib turadi. Demek Fransiya bilan Angliya o'rtasida nima bir kanal bor. Buni English Channel deymiz. Kanal. Bu kanal deganimizda ayni vaqtda hamda suv yo'li deb hisoblashlar. Masalan, Beijing Hangzhou kanal deymiz. Demek hamda yuk paraxtlari mangadigan kanal shunami? Endi ma'lum emas, ham bir kanal. Her xil kanal demekçi suv yo'li go hamda kanal deganimiz hamda. Demek that one is channel. Channel. Onlarga bir marka Chanel deydigan. Bir M kamanada. Ona Chanel deymiz. Coco Chanel shunami? Coco Chanel bizniki ilib padarsimiz qarsanglar ba, Chanel. Okay, demek suv yo'li kanal degan. Onlarga nima dersanglar television station. Her xil kanallar bor. Masalan, CGTV. Har xil kanallar, televizion kanallari. Shuni nima deymiz? Channel deymiz. Masalan, I often watch sports program on channel 5. Men doim shu 5-kanaldan televiziya watch sports nima? Tanharkat, tantarbiya programlarni shu 5-kanaldan ko'raman. Demak, hamda 5-kanal CCTV 5. Okay? CCTV 5 nima desanglar? Sports channel. Sports channel. Demak, bu channel degan kanal. Xo'sh, men so'zlarni takrorlaylik. Age, dream, throw, channel, glass, envelope. Okay. Age, dream, throw, channel, glass, envelope. Okay. Ansa bularni shu nimaga qarab sizlar tepanglar, savolat solishtirib qo'yinglar. Word puzzle, read and find. Can you find it? Give you a typical example. For example, this one is age. Okay, can you find another one? Another one, where is the dream? Okay, first of all, you need to find a D. Okay, dream. Okay, yeah, this one is dream, right? What about throw? Okay, this one is throw, right? What about channel? Okay, channel. Okay, good. Channel and glass. GRP. Okay. Envelope. Envelope degan 5-mi i bilan boshlandi, oxirimi i bilan. Qaysi? Eng uzuni shu, envelope. Okay, bir o'qib o'taylik. Age. Okay. Age. Dream. Throw. Channel. Glass. Okay, glass. Envelope. Okay, good. Yaxshi. Bugungi so'zliklarimiz mushagicha bo'lsin. Hamsa tekstga qaranglar. Xo'sh, avval biz mushuninki nayt ko'ngil qo'yib anglab, tuvanda bir necha savollar bor. Shu savollarga javob bersanglar. Masalan, birinchi savol: When did Jane cross the channel? Qachon bu kanalni kesib o'tdi? What did Jane throw into the sea? Bu kanalga nimani o'tib o'tdi? Where is the Jane's pen friend from? Uniki ham shu pen friend. Demak, hamda pen degan qalam shunamiz, qalam do'sti. Qalam do'sti demakchi shu xat yozish orqali bunda qilingan do'stlarni a pen friend deymiz. Amsa listen carefully.
Lesson 22. A glass envelope. First listen and then answer the question. How did Jane receive a letter from a stranger? My daughter, Jane, never dreamed of receiving a letter from a girl of her own age in Holland. Last year, we were traveling across the channel, and Jane put a piece of paper with her name and address on it into a bottle. She threw the bottle into the sea. She never thought of it again, but 10 months later, she received a letter from a girl in Holland. Both girls write to each other regularly now. However, they have decided to use the post office. Letters will cost a little more, but they will certainly travel faster.
All right. Okay, guys. When did Jane cross the channel? When? Can you answer? This year? Last year? When? Okay. He traveled across the channel last year. And we had traveled across the kanalni kesib o'tib sayohat qildi, shunami? Last year. Okay, and qachon? O'tgan yil, shunami? Across the channel last year. So, what did Jane throw into the sea? Okay, what did Jane throw into the sea? Nimani tashlab o'tdi? Okay, rubbishmi? No. She threw a bottle into the sea. Demak, hamda u daryoga bir botulkani qanday qilib o'tdi? Tashlab o'tdi. Shunami? She threw a bottle into the sea. Okay, so where is Jane's pen friend from? Okay, and American pen friend again. Şu xat yazış mana qalam orqali demakchi. Xat yazish to'lishgan shu friend nima? Yani her pen friend is from Holland. Okay, Holland, Gollandiya. All right, amsa resimni qaraymiz. Hozir bu resimni qarab nima qilib berganman? Okay, birinchi resim qaysi rasmlancha? Okay, which one is first? Yeah, this one is first. Second, third, fourth, fifth, and the oxirida post office qilamiz, nima? All right, hamsa diqqat qilinglar. Okay, you know, my daughter Jane never dreamt of receiving a letter from a girl of her own age in Holland. Okay, mening qizim Jane azaldan xiyolini keltirib boqmagan, o'ylabmi boqmagan receiving a letter from a girl. Bir qizchaqdan xat topshirib olishni. Of her own age in Holland. Shuning bilan bir qurdosh Gollandiyalik. Nima? Okay, and she never thought of it again, but 10 months later, it received a letter from a girl in Holland. Okay, and o portalga to'g'risida qanda o'ylab boqmagan edi. Qaytib o'ylamagan edi. Lekin 10 oydan keyin o Gollandiyalik bir qizchaqdan xatni topshirib olgan edi. Ona degan qanaqa qildi? She threw no, last year we were traveling across the channel. And biz o'tgan yili shu kanalni kesib o'tib sayohat qilayotgan edik. Okay, Jane put a piece of paper with her name and address on it. Jane portalga bir parcha nimani piece of paper parcha qog'ozni soldi. Hamda and into the bottle demakchi. Shuni ichiga soldi. And she threw the bottle into the sea. Ondan keyin u portalgani nega tashlab etdi? Dengizga tashlab etdi. Letter will cost a little. No. Right? Both girls write to each other regularly now. Hamda tashlab etgandan keyin hamda nima desanlar? Bu ikkalan qanaqa qildi? Regularly xat topshira olgan. However, they have decided to use post office. Biroq ular qanaqa qildi? Shu pochtaxona ishlatishni, demak pochtani ishlatishni qaror qildi. And the letters will cost a little more, but they will certainly travel faster. Biroq hamda u sal chiqimi sal jiqroq bo'lsa-mu, lekin hamda u albatta ulardan tez qanday qildi travel faster, yetishib ketib bordi. Albatta 10 oyda topshirib olgandan keyin aniki qanday desanlar, ulardan albatta tez bo'ladi. Let's look at the language focus. And bugungi darsimizning shu til nuqtasi qarab boqaylik. Main time o'yin nuqta. O tekstdan tarjimasini bilmasangiz hech yo'q. Lekin ma'nodagi muhim mazmunni bilmasangiz, hech nima tushunmagan bo'lasiz. Masalan, she never thought of it again. Okay, and think about it. Qachon musharaka think about something or somebody. And musharaka think of demakchi o'ylamoq. O'ylamoq yoki yodiga kelmak yoki shundoq deb o'ylamoq degan gap. I'm thinking about it. O'ylayapman. Masalan, what do you think of the film? O filmga qanday qaraysiz? What do you think of the film? Demak, musharaka think of deganimiz shu bundaqda o'ylamoq yoki qaramoq. Siz shuna qanday qaraysiz? What do you think of the film? Right? And think about what you want from school. Okay, and siz maktabdan nimani talab qilsiz? Nimaga erishkiniz bor? Qana think about o'ylab beqing. Shunami? O'ylash. Okay, and the musharaka think about doing something deganimiz nima desanlar? Mana o'ylashganda demakchi shuni hamda bir o'ylaganda shunama Jane never thought of receiving a letter in a glass envelope. Okay, Jane azaldan qanday qilmabdi? Thought of o'ylab boqmabdi, xiyolini keltirib boqmabdi, nima? Receiving a letter in a glass envelope. Shu glass envelope deganimiz hamda shu portalgada ne topshirishni qanday qilmabdi? Xiyolini keltirib boqmabdi. Demak, musharaka think of deganimiz o'ylamoq. Yana birga o'ylash deganda tafakkur qilib o'ylash, nima? Think about it. Nima? Think about it. Think of deganimiz xiyolga keltirmak. You never think of receiving. Azaldan xiyolga qanday qilib boqmabdi? Keltirib boqmabdi. Last year we were traveling across the channel and Jane put a piece of paper. Okay, and we had to travel across. travel across deganimiz hamda qanday qilish shu yerni o'tish. Demak, kanal Angliya bilan Fransiya o'rtasidagi bir kanal shunami? Ham travel across sayohat qilib o'tmak bo'lsa, maqirg'oqdan aqirg'oq o'tgan bo'ladi. Ana swim across bo'lsa uzib o'tish bo'ladi. Tushunarlimi? Hamshar across deganimiz nima? Masalan, kesib o'tish. Kesib o'tish deganda masalan, men oldimizda yo'l bo'lgan bo'lsa, bolalar, men oldimizda mana yo'l deylik, bo'pti. O'shar aqirg'oq o'tsak nima? Shu kesib o'tgan bo'ladi. Okay, kesib o'tgan bo'ladi. Bu ko'pincha nima desanglar, ma'lum narsaning yuzidan kesib o'tish. Masalan, chimliqning ustidan kesib o'tish, yoki yo'lning ustidan kesib o'tish, yoki dengizning yuzidan kesib o'tish degan gap. Okay. Endi men yerga throw bo'lsa, desanglar, throw degan bomba kesib o'tish, lekin bir narsaning orasidan kesib o'tish. Masalan, bir o'rmonlikning ichidan o'tish. Tushunami? Mushlarni deymiz. Throw deymiz. Masalan, little boy is running across the street. Bu kichik bola bosh ko'chadan kesib o'tadi. Demak, shu kishining ustidan hargiz yana tagidan qurtlarek kesib o'tmaydi, shunami? Bu nima arzonlar? The boy is running across. Masalan, the river is flowing through the forest. Demak, bu daryo shu o'rmonni kesib oqadi, flowing eqavatadu degan. Kesib o'tadi. Demak, shuning orasidan ichiga chirib, ichi bilan mana kesib o'tish bo'lsa, throw bo'ladi. Men yerga across degan jo'ri sanlar, across deganimiz hamda shu ma'lum narsaning yuzidan, masalan, walk across the street, swim across the river, shu yuzidan kesib o'tgan bo'lsanlar, across bo'ladi. Across. And both girls write each other regularly now. Okay, and the each other. Each other deganimiz hamda ikki narsa ishtirki o'zaro bo'ladi. Birisi bilan each other. Ikki narsalar o'zaro. Bo'lsa each other deymiz. Masalan, Susan and Robert helped each other. Susan bilan Robert birisi-birisiga qanday qildi, yordam qildi. Demakchi, ikki odam ichida birisi-birisiga yordam qilish bo'lsa each other. Masalan, they kept looking at each other and smiling. Hamda bu ikkisi birisi-birisi qarab turib o'tgandan keyin qanday qildi? Kulimsirdi. Bo'lsa nima desanlar? Each other. And the one other bo'lsa, desanlar, odatda 3 yoki 3 dan yuqori bo'lsa nima? One other. Bir-birisi bilan degan gap bo'ldi. Masalan, as a classmate, we should help one another. One another. Hamda bir saboqdosh bo'lish suhbatimiz bilan as a classmates biz cho'qim bir-birimizga qanday qilishimiz kerak? Yordam qilishimiz kerak. Agar hamda meyarikka deyilayotgan ishkanimni ko'rgazgan bo'lsa, we should help each other. Va each other degan ikkining ishidagi hamda o'zaro ikkilisi shunami? Mana ikki davlat o'zaro do'stona o'tish kerak. Hamda dunyo davlatlar chiqqan hamda ma davlatlar do'stona o'tishgan one another. Birisi bilan. Demak, hamda bir-biri bilan qanday qilish kerak? Nayt yaxshi o'tish kerak. Yoki bir-biriga help qilish kerak, yordam qilish kerak. And we should help one another. Demak, hamda misharga each other bilan one another bilan each other degan ikki narsa orasiga one another degan ko'p narsalar. And latter will cost a little more, but they will certainly travel faster. Hamda shu xetcheklar ama cost deganimiz sarf qiladi. Okay? Ko'pincha buning egisi nima desanlar, narsalar bo'ladi. Bu mashina jiq pul sarf qiladi yoki buning jiq pul ketadi degan gap, Cost. Masalan, the cell phone cost me 2000 yuan. Okay, bu telefon meni 2000 ko chiqimda qildi. Jim 2000 ko xajlatdi degan gap cost. Tushunami? Demak, endi cost deganimizning sho'dan chiqimi, shuningki nima desanlar, Ashniki har xil chiqim, uniki badali, shuniki qurboni bo'ladi. Cost. Masalan, he can afford the high cost of renting house in a central Beijing. Hamda u nima? He can afford, u chiqish qilolmaydi, to'lab bo'lolmaydi. The high cost, u yuqori chiqimga. High cost degan yuqori chiqim of the renting a house, bir uyni ijaraga olish in a central Beijing. And the Beijingning markazidagi unda uyni ijara qilgan unda yuqori ijara chiqimiga qanday qilolmaydi, chiqish qilib bo'lmaydi. He can afford the high cost of renting a house. Albatta har qanday adam task qiladi, tushunami? It's really hard to rent a house in central Beijing. And also Shanghai also very difficult. Okay. Demek endi müşaraka cost deganimiz endi badal, shu chiqim degan shuniki qurbonlik berish degan gap bo'ldi. Okay, endi mushuni retail qilib boqaylik savoldoshlar. Qarab baqsak endi mushuni tartibga tizib baqsaqdan bo'ldi-ku. Masalan, my daughter Jane never dreamed of receiving a letter from a girl of her own age in Holland. Okay. Last year we were traveling across the channel. Endi the channel, eliq kanal deb ko'rsatdik. Shu eliq kanal deb ko'rsatdik endi mishara English channel ko'rsatdik. Fransiya va Angliya o'tirishga abayr xaydir bo'lgan shu channel. Jane put a piece of paper with her name and address on it. Demakki with degan bilan nima? O'zining ismi va adresini ustiga yozilib, nim bilan qana into the bottle ichiga soldi. And she threw the bottle into the sea. And that was qanda putilkani naga tashlab etdi? Dengizga tashlab etdi. She never thought of it again. But 10 months later, she received a letter from a girl in Holland. Both girls write each other regularly now. And both regularly. However, they have decided to use post office. Letter will cost a little more. But they will certainly travel faster. Demek endi mushu tekstga bolalar mesela regularly qarallik demakchi bir vaqt belgilab qo'yib yoki haftada yoki oyda yoki yilda degandek-ku qaralib bilan demakchi bir muddatini belgilab qo'yib ayni xat yozishlar bo'ldi. Nimani shiltdi post office-ni shiltdi. Ilgirchi desanglar haqsizda tokkan tashlab qo'ysa nim qila olgan. Kelin lekin hozir unday qilmaydi-ku. Xo'sh hamsa mouse'larniki retail qiladigan bir nima desanglar shu qurilmalar. Sizlar mushuni yozib olib, yodlashdan burun mushundaylikqa qanaqa qilsa desanglar tekstga intayin ochiqishlik so'zlarni, muhim nuqtalarni qanaqa qilsizlar? Daftardan birga yozib olib, mushuning asosan bir o'zingni bir to'qib chiqarsanglar, o'zingni bir hikoyani yozib chiqarsanglar, ma'lumotlarning eng jonliq ishlatishinglar bo'ldi savoldoshlar. Buni qanaqa qilsa desanglar, ekranni telefonda vaqtini rasmga tortisizlar yoki kompyuterda ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, kompyuterda shuni mandala rasm tortisizlar. Mushning asosan yoki mushuni to'xtatib qo'yib turib yezib olib chiroyliq deb turanglar. Mush bo'yicha yozilsanglar, mush bo'yicha ko'ribchi. Avval mushning o'zining asosan o'z-o'zingga debaqsizlar. Oldi keyingi bir narsani qo'shib degandek. Mush bo'yicha ma'nosizlar intayin tezroq ilgarilab ketasizlar, menimcha. Shuningla buni necha qatim ta'kidlab bo'ldik, tarjima qilib bo'ldik, eshib shu tushuntirib bo'ldik hamda sizlarningki yodlashinglar bog'liq. Mushunda keywordni chiqarib Xo'sh, hamsa bugungi darsning grammar focus qaranglar. Hamda bu nimada hamda asosliqi nima desanglar, o'sha har xil bog'lovchilarni tunishib chiqamiz. Masalan, my daughter Jane never dreamed of receiving. Mishada dreamed of receiving a letter from a girl. They were traveling across the channel, put a piece of degandak. Hamda misharaki she never thought of it again. She received a letter from to. Mushal narsani marsanglar ulandilar. Hamda bu keyinga qarsak, buning bilan bog'lovchi so'zlarning masalan stay in bed. Masalan stay in bed karavotning ichida turish. Bu nima marsanglar karavotga yetish degan gap. Ag'rib qilib ya uxlash uchun yetish bo'lsa stay in bed bo'ladi. Look out of degan nima? Ning sirtga qarash. Masalan look out of the window, there is ning sirtga qarash, nima? Think about, okay? And the think about degan bir narsani o'ylash, yana send to degan birisiga yo'llamoq, receive from birisidan qabul qilmoq, topshirib olmas masalan qanchakni uchurlarni. Move to bir yoqqa ko'chib bormoq, not to bir yoqqa bo'lmoq demakchi of, about, to, from, to. Hozirgi mushu jigim-shkin darsgacha intan ko'p bo'lgan nimalar desanglar mishariki shu bog'lovchilar. Masalan take off. Okay, and take off degan kiyim-kechaklarni sayvatmakmidi. Take off and carry into. carry into degan ko'tarib kirmak, enter for bir musobaqaga tizimli qatnashmak, belong to tava olmak, ask for degan talab qilmak, put in and put into bo'lsa, sanmak, ichiga selish, call at, yo'qlamak degandek. Onun ikinci borrow something from somebody. Demek birisinden arayetken ödünmek şunama. Borrow money from his friend degandek. Sail from meğerin deniz sefere çıkmak şunama. Pay for tölemek mesela pay for a meal, pay for a bill, pay the bill degandek. And take part in. Take part in degen şu bir narsa katlaşış. Take part in a meeting, competition degandek. Onun ikinci drive to. Bir yak maşineden biriş. Wave to birisiga munda qo'l bilan o'tish. Get into. Okay, get into bir narsa kirmak shunami? Deganda go into bo'lsa, mana kirmak. Look up from. Look up from. Welcome to deganda ham mesela nima desam, shu qarab chiqmak, tekshirmak, qarshamak, look for izlamak, take into degancha. Munda kirmak, masalan take into consideration deganda. Give up, voz kechmak, drive away from. Okay, endi men haydab etmek, qo'llab etmek shunami? Degandek. Okay. Endi bu shu fe'llar bilan hamda keyindagi har xil qo'shilg'ichlar, ulanmalar bor anlashlar. Endi shularningki bu qo'shilganda, masalan, keyinda fe'llarning keyinda to'nsining keyiniga mo'jet qitilganda har xil ma'nolarni bildirdimda. Endi mushiningki har xil garchi har xil ma'nolarni bildirsimi, lekin mushu of, from, in, on, demakki mushu turaqliq bo'lgan bir necha xil ma'nosidan hamda shuningdan kengaytirilgan ya shuni chiqish qilib o'zgartirilgan ma'nolar bo'ldi. Masalan, alayliq masalan from. Ammo from deganimiz nima desanglar, shu from degan mushadan kelgan yoki mushadan yoki mushuning asosan va yoki bo'lmasa buncha orliq mushlarga nima keladi desanglar from keladi. Men endigancha desanglar ichidan yoki shu ishninki munosabatlik yoki shu ish bilan shug'ullanadigan degan ma'nolar bildi. Masalan, on bo'lsin desanglar bir narsaning ustida yoki birisi-birisidan ait yaqin tugan yoki shuningga aloqador, shuningga munosabatlik deganda. Masalan, let's talk on degandek, shu bu narsa ustida munosabatlik degandek. Demak, hamda shu narsalarni abayqarak shu coding dapislar, shu moslashgan jetsisi bilan bildi o'rganib olsanglar, ishonimanki, kundan kunga tama ko'l to'ladi, bag'an stresslarniki shu ayt yaxshi to'planmoqda. Bo'lsa bir xotir tutib, ashuni qilgan yaxshi. Guys, let's practice. In English, there is one saying, practice makes perfect. Bu nima degan gap? Sizlar mashq qilishlarni qilayotganingizlarni mukammal qildi degan gapchu. Demak, sizlar qancha ko'p mashq qilib tursanglar, shuncha sizlarni o'rganishinglar yaxshi. As qarabanglar, he often dreams he has become a friend. He has become a bird. O bir doim degidek bir qush bo'lib qolgan, qush bo'lib qolgan bir orzu qildi ekan. Demak, she dreams that. Maskelga nima desanglar, that maskelda. Okay? And the key's nima desanglar, a boy was found alone on a train going to Guangzhou. And the Guangzhou boradigan poyezdda bir yolg'iz, okay, bola necha yoshlik? Okay, age 10. Demakchi 10 ga kirgan degan gap, age 10, 10 ga kirgan. And she is the first woman who swam, okay, English Channel. And the yerga English Channel deganimiz, masalan, inglizda qanday? And swam across, okay, swam across the English Channel. Okay, and the key's in the new code me 200 yuan. And the dersler sarflamak bo'lsin masalan, cost. Okay, the new code cost me 200 yuan. 200 qo'y qanday qildi sarf qildi. Okay, and the yerga up, on, from, in to'shilsa bo'ladi. Masalan, paper is made. Okay, endi qilishimiz kerak made from, okay? Made from wood, while a bike is made of steel. Okay, endi mishariki made from degan ma'lum narsa tarafidan yasalgan. Odatda nima desanglar, bir necha narsa berkib yozsa nima desanglar made from deymiz. Maxsus bir talla bir xil narsa yasalgan bo'lsa made of bo'ladi. Birisi tömeri yasalgan, bir nesi yağaçlardan bir neçe xil narsalardan yasalgan bolsa, made from, made of. Agar made in bolsa, ma'lum o'rinda yasalgan. Shunami? We often listen to the weather report from on the radio. Okay, hamda mushu radiodan biz har xil havo rayi ma'lumotlarini qanday qilamiz? Anlab turamiz. On, good. Hush, I will be holiday in January. I will be on. Okay. Demekçi bir on holiday demekçi. Şu yerde şu işten şugullanmak, bulmakçı demekçi. Bayram ötküzmekçi. Bu birinci ayda. Yine on Sunday we will play football. We will play football instead. Ne boldu? Instead of. Bu golün apego. Nın ornuga. Nemeninki? Playing basketball. Demekçi bir öb degenimiz şu tavallik ne boldu? Demekçi nima basketbol oynashning o'rniga futbol o'ynamoqchi. Okay. Yana don't read. Okay, don't read the sun. You should protect your eyes. You don't read in the sun. Demekçi quyoshda. Demekçi attab chiqayotgan vaqtda kitob o'qimang. You should protect your eyes. Nima? From strong light. Ko'zingizni kuchli nurdan saqlang. Qo'g'dan protect qiling deydi. Xo'sh, amsa topshiriq nima desangiz, so'zlikni 20 qatam yozish, tekstni yodlash. Ama tekst yodlashga nima qilishga bo'lmaydi. All right, that's all for today and see you next time. Goodbye.